Today we are testing out these Beaky X6D touch controlled earphones. These indeed do have Bluetooth 5.0 technology built in, with a specified 10 meters transmission distance, 5 to 6 hours single use music playback time, well, it's not headphones, it's earphones, guy, and an earphone charging time of between 30 to 45 minutes. I picked these Beaky X6s up on Banggood.com for less than £13. That's around 16 in US dollars. So for such a low price, are they any good? Let's find out. So inside the box, so we got the charge case to the top, micro USB charge cables. Oh, we get some earbuds. That's great. We got some spare earbuds. So we got some medium-sized earbuds. These must be small. Sorry guys, we can hear the thunder in the background. It's thundering in Manchester today. So yeah, we've got 2 sets of earbuds. Obviously, there's going to be some inside, I think. Oh, please be English. Oh no. Oh yes, we got some English instructions. That's great. If you watch my previous review, yeah, we didn't get any. But let's open this up. Let's have a look at the charge case itself. Ooh, unwrapping. Oh well, have I just broke that? It's magnetic, but there's no hinge. Hey! Hey! What type of shot is that? Woo! Okay, so it's not a hinged lid. It is magnetic though. Very strong, in fact. So we have a micro USB charge bottom. Again, we have a micro USB charge port to the bottom and a power button. So anyway, let's move this to the side for now. And okay, as you can see, we do have power. We have some charge indication lights on the actual earphones themselves, which is kinda
sweet.
So that's basically in pairing mode, is it? Let's take them out. Yep. So they will automatically go into pairing mode. Let's just take a look at the inside of the case. So you can see we have an embedded case with dual charge pins to the bottom. The lid, oh, that's embedded too. That's great. So no rattling around in your pocket. The case though is a bit chunky, I must admit. I mean, compared to the AirDot 2s, which I've just previously reviewed, that's the size. When you place the earphones back in, they will begin to charge. Will they? Ah, okay. Okay, so there's a bit of spring back. You do actually need to press them down in order for them to charge. So if you lose the lid, I'm guessing these guys will not charge. So let's put the lid back on. Let's turn the light down. You can see there's just some faint lights just through the lid, so it is in fact kind of see-through. Oh, and we have the display too. So yes guys, we are actually in kind of darkness just now, and you can see we have 27% battery life remaining of the actual charge case. That's the bad thing, I can't honestly see the light in daylight. So if you're out in the street, you will not be able to see the LED indicator. Definitely not. Doesn't matter, let's take the earphones out and let's have a closer look. So the earphones themselves do indeed come with LED lights as mentioned, and you have dual mics. Oh, okay. Small earbuds, we've actually already got one. I'm going to change these over just now. Remember guys, it's very important to have the proper ear tips added onto your earphones. It will give you not only a better sound seal, but better audio quality too for your particular size of ear. So yeah, I'm not doing my usual ranting and raving and shouting on my video just now. I've actually got a very sore throat. I started my video the other day going, hello guys, and I was just like, nope, my voice just cracked. I had a sore throat ever since. We've got the dual charge pins, and we have those touch controls. So it's going to be interesting to see what controls they actually control. So this charge case, it does indeed have a 380 mAh battery. It is capable of charging these earphones up to 4 times with 20 hours total while on the go. That's pretty good. Both items are made out of ABS plastic. The batteries in these earphones do have 50 mAh batteries, and these earphones are reported to have CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology. Well, let's hope so. They can be used singular or binaural, and as mentioned, taking these earphones out of the charge case, they will automatically go into pairing mode indicated by the LED flashing lights to the front, and while pairing them using Bluetooth on your device, its earphones will indeed be fully set up within a few moments, and are compatible with 99% of devices.
Whoa! Alright, so the bass, it's got some massive kick to it. I just need to make sure that it doesn't overpower the high tones. I didn't expect this. Okay, so first of all, sound seal is excellent, especially now I added those larger size ear tips. Can't even hear what I'm saying. Fitment, very comfortable actually. Oh my god. The volume is super high. The bass, packing punches. Like I said, just need to make sure that it's not overpowering all the other tones. Treble, nice and crisp. Mid-tone is actually sounding real rich. And the low tones, yeah, these are just killing it. These are killing it. Okay. So I just got a slight disconnection with the audio. So when you connect these earphones, they first connect to the left ear, then the left ear connects to the right, but there was just a disconnection between both ears. One just switched off, came back on, and I just did the same with the left one. Even though they're both hooked up to my laptop right now. Again, just skipped a millisecond of a song. Let me just try the phone. Right, so I've got the same track on the phone. Yeah, no disconnection problems with the mobile phone. Maybe it's just the laptop it's got a few connection problems with. But other than that, pretty good. Woo! We just try the touch controls. So we got paused. That's straight away. We have the next track selection. Oh. It was slightly out of sync then. A bit of music playing to both ears. Slightly different. Let's press pause again. No, disconnection. No, it's back again. So they need charging.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's just a charging issue, nothing to worry about. I've actually charged these up over the past 20 minutes. There's no disconnection problems now. So when you're going low on current, you just basically, you will have maybe some disconnection issues, especially with your laptop. My mobile phone, on the other hand, isn't too bad. Let's try the other touch controls. Volume control, double tap. Track selection, yep, it skips to the previous track. And Siri, we have Siri. Woohoo! Yes, we have all controls with these chirpit. It's repeating what I'm saying. And that's it, that's my use. Battery's gone. It's got a nice kind of voice actually. Power off. Still playing in one ear though. Woo! So yes, you can use them binaural or singular. So you can connect one earphone to a different device. If your friend wants to use it on a bus or you're on a trip somewhere, connect one to one device, connect the other to another device. Sound seal's good. My ears didn't feel too hot or sweaty. And it, look, not coming out, not even once.
Well, yeah, the audio's not too bad, to be honest. Very good, in fact. I'm really shocked. I mean, they do fit into your ears rather well. And while using these earphones today, I did manage to get up to, yes, 11 meters before that transmission distance cut off. That is indeed without obstacles being in the way. I think these earphones are not too bad for everyday use, to be honest. Fantastic for music, I actually am really still shocked. So yes, budget headphones, that sound fantastic. I think they'd be great for people who want to do physical activities, such as training or doing some running. And you know what guys, these are indeed IPX5 waterproof too. All the touch controls did correspond to their functions, and if I was to rate these Bakey X6s out to my usual rating out of 10, then today, you know what? I'm going to be generous, I'm going to give them an 8 out of 10. So guys, if you do want to check these earphones out today, please go over and within the video description down below. Click that link, I've left one just there for you to check out. And if you like what you see, well, you know what you can do? Yeah, go get yours. And while you're there guys in that video description, please go ahead and smash that like button. Very much appreciate it if you do subscribe today. Making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Hope to be doing more earphone reviews very soon this week. Stay tuned for them. And, well, thanks for watching and stay safe. Peace!